Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And if you are new here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get all the alerts. And as you could see before, I showed up the before, and what we are doing in my living room is we have like a wood chest that's in our living room, and so I was kind of organizing it a little bit. I didn't declutter anything in this video. It was basically about organizing, so I wanted to kind of make it look a little bit better and stuff like that. So anyway, I organized that and the charging cabinet, which is over here to the side, and you'll see it in a little bit. But I just kind of wanted to, clean it up a little bit, kind of organize it a little bit and make it a little bit more cleaner in there. And then, of course, you'll see me doing the cabinet here later on in this video here. But anyway, I just wanted to provide a little bit of inspiration for you guys, like an organization type of video, because I haven't done one of those in a while. And I've been meaning to do this for quite some time, and I finally decided to do it. And it's not a long video, so that's the reason why I was like, you know what, I want to do this real quick. So anyway, so here you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you some motivation to organize places or areas in your home that needs to be organized. Not necessarily declutter per se, but maybe just a little bit of organization. Okay, I'm going to play some music for you guys, and just make sure you enjoy. And anyway, I will see you guys next time in the next video. And like I said, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all the things. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.